And 4, 3, 2, 1. The guy that was bidding against me just won that car. Does he come back in and bid against me again? We're down to 2 minutes left on my bid. Oh, somebody came and bid the truck up. Oh, people are fighting on that truck, which I figured that truck would have some bids. You can see that's going up to 3,300. I'm still at my 55. So, but the timer resets to 2 minutes. So we'll have to see. We're at minute 24. I hope so. Down to 1 minute and 16 seconds. Oh my God, my heart's pounding. Oh, the one above it just blinked at 34. That kind of scared me for a second. We're down to 16, 15, 14. Whew. Oh, nobody's going to hit it. Nobody hits it. 3, 2, 1. I just picked up a dang near perfect, stored for as long as I've been alive, one family owner vehicle, and my wife is not screaming at me, so that's good. At least yet. She hasn't seen the inside because she didn't go with me to look at it, but we also apparently she's telling me on the phone right now that we have to drive to Waterloo to pick up a couch that that she won on an auction. I think I spent more than her, but I think mine's gonna... Yeah, I spent a little more than her, but she bought a couch, so we'll show you that too eventually. That's amazing. I got it. Oh, wow, I could buy that high boy again for 35. It's 2 trips down. Hello? Hello? Oh, she didn't think that was funny. I think she hung up on me. Fell over.
Oh, here. Oh, yeah. You want me to do anything for you?
Here, you can just watch it. This is on.
So, just out of curiosity, do you post stuff at all like the Facebook or?
Mostly YouTube. I'll give you my card.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take that.
So,
That'd be awesome. I'd like to see what happens with this.
yeah. I don't know exactly what the plan is. Again, it depends what my wife says when she sees it. So, we'll see what happens here.
Yeah.
So as long as it's blinking, it's going, right?
Yeah.
The screen went blank.
Yep. Screen goes blank when it's safe play.
I'm a nurse and a part-time cameraman.
First time camera. Right?
First time. First time.
Yeah, I thought this shit might be heavy. I might want to stop and grab something. So, yeah, there's an animal. So. Hey, what are you doing today?
I'm here. The one just hooked up. Looking for a place to connect. He's got it. Readjusting. Another readjustment.
direction in the last car I picked up.
Uh-huh.
I spent a large amount of time trying to get the key to turn, and I might have been going the wrong direction.
Oh, this is a nice looking car.
Look how solid it is. I'm super impressed with it. Can't wait to see exactly what I have to do to make it work, but it definitely needs brakes because there's none.
Double wrapping. What are you doing now? Are you like
Just doubling it, put a second strap on for safety. Normally I would go 4 corners, but my trailers are filled with other cars that are strapped down, so I only had these 4 straps, and this one's just kind of like a wraparound. It doesn't have hooks on it, so I just looped over the axle twice. Should be safe. Probably just go up over. It should work fine. Alright, last one and we're out.
you're just doing one more up front, or?
Yep, this is it. Went around loop. As long as there's 2 on there, I'm pretty happy. I'm sure one's fine, but there's no brakes. There's no park and brake. So.
Looks pretty solid under there.
Oh, it's rust free. I mean, you got a little surface rust. That's it. I'm really impressed with it. Wow. Didn't got it.
You did this amazingly efficiently.
Yeah. Like I said, last one I loaded had the steering wheel turned a little bit, and so we were like, it was difficult to get in the truck. Alright. My 1940 Mercury. Not sure exactly what the plan is with this car, but it is in great condition. I'm super excited to get into it. find out what I'm gonna have to do to actually make it run again. But as far as the metal goes, I think there's a little bit of filler in the quarter panels, but it's in awesome shape. This is all metal in here. The whole pan. Definitely can see the wheel cylinder. Is why my brakes aren't working. So have to put a whole new hydraulic system in it for the brakes, I'm sure. But the engine does turn over. Well, not with a key, but I can get it to turn over by hand. This is just awesome shape everywhere. Obviously the rubber covering's all failing on the running board. Interior's definitely gonna need some touch-ups, but the seat's torn underneath here. But I am really excited to actually see what this thing's gonna take to make a driving car again. So make sure you subscribe to see what I do with this thing and whether or not it'll actually start and run.